How to view Snapchat zip data file. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, if you have not exported the zip data, then open Snapchat on your device and tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen. Here tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and scroll down and you will see the option for My Data. So tap on the My Data option there and further go ahead and select all the data that you want to export as the zip file. You will then be required to choose the date range until when you want to export your data. Once you have selected your date range, tap on the submit option you see there, and with this, your data will be processed for export. Once the data has been exported successfully, go ahead and open the Files app on your device, and now on the Downloads tab, you will be able to view the Snapchat zip file. So this is how you can view Snapchat zip file. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.